Hi, this is Peter from Net Foundation and welcome to the fifth video in a series on how to make a course in its learning. In this video we will talk about the element task. First, I will make the actual task by going to the resources, lesson 1, add and then on task. Put in a title and add a description. Click on save. The task is the element I use most of the times. You can allow students to set the task to completion, which is really useful. It differs from regular activities in that students cannot submit or hand in their work via its learning. The teacher is the only one who marks the assessments as done. To edit the task, click on the three dots in the corner and click on Edit. You can upload files to the task that the student can use to learn, such as a PowerPoint or a Word document. You can do this by clicking on Show More Options and then on Add Files. Now click on Computer to select a file from your computer. Another way to add a file is through a link in the text. Select the word you want to link. Then click on this globe symbol. Click on Upload File, then on Browse, and select the file you want to upload and click on Save. Now click on the Earth symbol again to link the file to the word you selected. And as you see, it works just fine. You can also embed a YouTube video, as I showed you in a tutorial about the page. You can basically do the same things in a text editor from a page, a test, assignment and other elements. The thing that separates the task from other elements is that you can allow the student to set completion, for example after they have watched a video. You can do that by going to the settings again, show more options and then click on also allow participants to set completion. And now let us add the task as an activity in the plans. Just as a reminder, always make the elements in the resources and add them to the plans later to stay organized. So these are some of the basic options you can use to make a task. Most of these things are also useful for other elements like a page, a test, discussion or an assignment. In the next video you will learn how to make use of the element assignment. And thank you for watching.